In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Ubersuggest subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and what to expect after you cancel. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Ubersuggest. This helps you land on the official site quickly, especially if you don't have the URL saved. In the results, click the correct link that takes you to the official Ubersuggest website. If you see ads or similar tools, just double-check the domain before proceeding. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In. Log in with the same account you used to purchase your subscription so your plan details appear correctly. If you use single sign-on through a provider, select that option to access your account. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon or avatar. Click it to open the account menu. From there, choose Account and Billing. This is the section where Ubersuggest stores your plan information, payment method, and invoices. In Account and Billing, locate the active plan you want to end. You should see plan details like your current tier and renewal date. Right beneath that, look for the option to cancel, often labeled Cancel or Cancel Subscription. Click that to begin the cancellation flow. Before you proceed, take a moment to read the terms of the cancellation. This is important because it explains when the cancellation takes effect, whether you'll retain access until the end of your billing cycle, and if refunds apply to your situation. Understanding these terms ensures there are no surprises after you click through. Next, you'll be asked to select a cancellation reason. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This helps Ubersuggest understand why users leave and can sometimes surface alternatives that may better fit your needs. You'll also see a space to leave feedback about using Ubersuggest. Be honest and specific. Sharing what worked and what didn't can improve the product experience for others. When you're ready, click Cancel Account to finalize. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm your choice. You should see an on-screen confirmation, and you may receive a confirmation email as well. Keep that for your records. That's it. If your subscription was billed through a third party, like an app store, the cancellation steps may differ slightly and need to be completed through that provider. Otherwise, you're all set, and your plan will end according to the terms you reviewed.